What's up, guys? It's Seeker. We are here with Keith from the Coin Crew at the Coin Show. We are going to do a Coin Show mystery pack challenge. The challenge is we are both going to take $200 and we're going to go buy stuff for each other. And then when we're done, we're going to give it to each other, not knowing what it is, and we're going to open it up and see who got the better pack. You guys get to decide as well, so leave a message down or a comment down below in the comments and let us know which person did better with the $200 we spent on each other. All right, let's do it.
I'm gonna win.
I don't think so. All right, guys, so we have the bags. I spent $207.
I spent $225. I just had to go over budget. This stuff was such great deals.
I went over budget as well, but I didn't go $225. So he's probably going to beat me, and he says he has great deals, and he's swearing up and down that he's got me beat.
I got him beat. $225. One coin probably has him beat in this bag. Just one, yeah. One of them is that good. And besides that, look.
You kind of want to make me cheat and just add stuff to it.
But just look. My bag's nicer. That tells you I won.
That's messed up.
We're gonna
Right,
get to
I'll
these.
tell you
pretty
what,
soon.
we'll let Keith do his first.
Okay, so I open. How are we gonna do this?
We'll put the camera down. You'll open yours first.
That's what I said. I couldn't open that one. I had to open the one you got me.
Right.
All
so
right.
You'll open the one I got you first, and then we'll open it up and see if it wins.
This
Because
is
you're
gonna be
swearing up
awesome.
and down that you win.
Yeah, and after I look at yours, should I tell them if I won or not, or I don't know. We'll see.
And we'll let them decide.
We'll let you guys decide.
You can make your decision though if you want.
You guys-
but you're going to
you
look
guys.
at these coins and you're just going to say, "Look, I won before I even opened the bag," and then everything's going to be spoiled, right?
Yeah, no, we won't do that. I won't give you no secrets or nothing.
All right, let's do this.
Let's do it.
All right, guys. So here is Keith. Go ahead, man.
All right. I don't know. This
I'm
bag,
good. You gotta
bag's
pull
kind
it out
of
one at a
crunched.
time, one
The
at a
bag's
time.
kind of crunched. Wow. I'm not. Here we go, guys. Item number one. Oh, it's a certified coin. Look at this, guys.
Point it to the lens, like this. Let me help him, guys.
Yeah, he's gonna help me.
See that?
Wow. That's a nice coin.
Do it like that. You want to show him the reverse?
Yeah,
See,
sure.
that's
we'll
how
show
you
him
do
the
it. All
reverse.
right.
All right, yeah. Oh, it's because of the way I'm sitting at the camera. Oh, another certified coin, guys. This is a 1962, is it? 62 Cameo Franklin $50. Wow.
Proof 66 cameo. Look at that.
Yeah, but it's a 1962 Proof 66.
So still gorgeous.
It is gorgeous. I'm not going to lie. Another certified. Oh, he might beat me in the certified field, guys. Here's another one. Kennedy half. Proof 65.
Did you see the other designation?
Accented hair. I don't know. Maybe he's doing good here. Maybe he's doing really good. Wow, these coins just keep piling up. Oh, a commemorative Booker T. Washington MS-63. Wow, guys. I don't know. I think there's a good chance he could win. Is this it?
Yeah.
This is it.
It's all certified though.
He got me all certified coins. A 1944 MS-66. Guys, I am just totally flabbergasted. This is a great grab bag. Look at that. I don't know. It's going to be hard to beat.
Do you think you got to beat? Be honest.
I'd hate to divulge that information at this time, but I think I do. Oh, I think I do.
All right, get out of the way. Let me do it.
All right, let's get out of the way.
All right, guys. So you saw what Keith had. He thinks he has me beat. I imagine there's not near as many certified coins in here, but hey, you know it is what it is. You said there's 10 total coins.
There's 10 coins in there.
He does have me beat in quantity, but I'm looking for quality over quantity.
You think?
Yes. All right. So
Let's see if I got quality.
here we go. You ready? First coin. All right, we have ourselves a 1964 Washington quarter from Littleton Coin Company. So far, you are not doing so good. Littleton,
Quantity.
a Littleton coin holder. What?
Quantity.
Quantity. All right, whatever. All right, here we go. Number two. Hold on. Oh, I do feel certified coins.
You got to flip it up the other way.
Let's go. All right, so we have a Kennedy set. So uncirculated 64 $2 or 2 coin set. All right, take a look at that, guys. So uncirculated 64D and Philly 1964 Kennedy. I do like my Kennedy half dollars, and I do like silver.
And they are uncirculated.
So I can't get mad at that. That's interesting. That's interesting. Oh, flip him around for him? All right.
Around.
I was told to flip him around for you guys. My apologies. Let's put him right there. All right, what do you got here? All right, let's go.
My bag's even bigger than your bag was.
A little bit. All right, here we go, guys. He says his bag's bigger. Is he compensating? All right, here we go. Next one. Oh, a Canadian silver dollar, 1858 to 1958. Nice. Take a look at that. All right, so coin number 3. Not bad. I see some nice luster on there. You see that cartwheel in that coin? The U.S. Mint doesn't know how to do this in 2021.
No, they don't. They don't at all.
All right, numero El Foro. Bam. 3 Merc dimes, guys. He's even giving me some 90%. Although these are pretty nice. Those have, those have nice luster. Is this? Do you count this as 3 coins?
I did.
Of course you did.
I counted it as 3.
I don't know, guys. So far, I don't think Keith's got this. I mean, we got 3 Mercs. We have the Canadian silver dollar, which granted is nice. We have 2 64 Kennedys and an uncirculated Littleton Coin Company holder Washington.
Beginning to wonder, aren't we?
But I do feel certified coins. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, you counted this as 2 coins as well.
I did. Quantity.
All right. Next up, we have a 1936 PCGS certified Buffalo nickel. Where's the big coin in here? You said there was a coin that was going to knock me out of this.
Well, big is not always big. It could be little.
That is pretty, guys. 1936 MS63 slabbed Buffalo nickel. I'm okay with that. All right. Here we go. Number 7. Bam. What do we got here? 1972 double die obverse. Die 2.
Gotcha.
What?
Guys,
a 1972 DDO Annex certified. This says 175 on the back.
And then he
marked it. Oh, he marked it down.
The guy marked it down because of what I was buying it for.
He marked it down to $100 just because of what you were buying it for?
Yeah, I told him I was giving it away.
Oh, man. All right, he might have me on this. That's nice. All right, what else is in here? All right, here we go. Last one. And another. Oh, look at this, guys. Did you pay 50 for this? It says
No.
50. He gave you a discount? That's what I thought.
Everybody gave me discounts.
1936 PCGS certified MS64 Buffalo nickel. That's actually really nice as well. So we got 2 buffs. We have the 3 Mercs, the Canadian silver dollar, 2 64 Kennedys, a 19, what year was it? 64 Washington quarter, so 90%.
It's got some nice luster underneath the front
But
of
that is gorgeous. Man,
Like
I can't
said,
believe you're able to get that in the
big
bag.
is- I know I almost didn't want to give that up after I bought it because I told him I was going to give it away, so I have to give it away. That's probably worth the whole bag.
I mean, that's
Yeah.
nice.
I think he had it underpriced to begin with, and then he gave me a deal.
All right, guys, so you saw both bags. Do me a favor, in the comments below, let me know who you think won. I don't know. I got him some really nice stuff, but
Really nice.
do you think the 72 DDO makes up for the fact that he got me a bunch of junk silver and a couple of buffs?
Variety is key. You said grab bag, so I got you a nice variety. And
Are you saying mine's that nice?
I'm saying yours is only 5 pieces. I got 10 coins. Even though some of them were packed multiples, it was still 10. And in variety, I even got you something from another country.
I appreciate that. All right, guys. Well, thanks so much for watching. Hope to see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you soon. And by the way, don't forget to go check out Coin Crew on YouTube.
Check us out.
Link in the description below. Peace. Thank you again so much for watching, guys. My hair was an absolute mess in that video. I did not realize that until I was watching it back, so my apologies. But either way, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you go over and check out Coin Crew as well. And we'll see you next time.